Hi, Srinivas here, and welcome to Upmarketing Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how you could use this all-in-one CRM in order to build your business with the help of automation. So I'll take you all the menus and explain you how these menus can help you. So the first menu is chat, where you could integrate your website widget, WhatsApp via Twilio, Gmail, email, etc. And you'd be able to see all the inboxes connected at one place. Once you click on add inbox, you'd be able to see the menus over here. You could just click on these options in order to get connected to those platforms. The screen will give you some prompts, and you just have to follow those prompts in order to get connected, even through any kind of APIs you have. So we also have line connection and website widget so that everything is at one place. And moving further, we have calendar. Calendar is where you could go ahead and book all your appointments and see them in your calendar. You would be able to sync with your Gmail calendar or Outlook calendar. You could also attach, add bookers like appointment setters to the system so that they could book appointments for you and in your calendar. You could also, understand how many bookings you're getting through the bookings, option. Once you go ahead and click on that bookings option, you'll see all the bookings and their statuses over here. Obviously, you got settings where you could integrate your Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar. You could also change some global settings and make everything in your contacts. So once you come to your contacts, you would be able to see all the contacts in here. You could go ahead and select any contact and understand what exactly is happening to that particular uh, audience. So you'd be able to see their details like quality, engagement, owner of the contact. You could also understand what is their phone number, email address, where they're coming from. And once you have a basic idea, you'd be able to put them to any flows or automations you have. And also the system itself will tell you what exactly is happening through the activities. So if you scroll down, you'd be able to see what exactly happened to that audience. Like, did we send an email? Did we send an SMS? Did he see or saw that message? Or did he gave any replies to it in the activity window? You have so many options in here. This contacts will need a separate video for itself. Obviously, you have contacts because you want a pipeline and put those contacts in different stages to understand what exactly is happening to that lead. So you could create multiple stages in here. So you could see we have free trial, LTD, pitch, pending, and fulfilled. These are the stages what we have. You could also add opportunities in here manually. Otherwise, you could use our automations in order to create opportunities and also move them to different stages with the help of workflows. So moving further to automations, you could create workflows over here. This will help you out in automating all your sales and marketing activities. So for example, I've created a workflow for our free trial subscribers. I just wanted to show you how this particular workflows looks like. Basically, you got a menu over here where you could see the workflow activities, and also workflows can be created as a diagram so that you could easily understand where exactly your lead is flowing. So you could add workflow triggers. So let me add one of the form which I created to our free trial users. So I'll just select the form and go ahead and select which form I wanted to add. So in this case, I'll add 7-day free trial and just click on save. And now, whenever someone submits a form in that web page, then the lead is flown exactly how I created this workflow. I could add multiple steps, or else I could even continue this workflow to infinite, emails or infinite messages I wanted to send. But yes, this is for just 7 days, so I just kept it simple. You could also add multiple, options like, for example, logic or messaging, or even you could add data structure or CRM options. So moving further, let's go to websites. Websites is the place where you could create websites, funnels, landing pages, forms, payment forms. You could directly collect payments through Stripe, etc. You could also create memberships sites over here. So if you want to create a website, you just need to click on any option over here and just give it a name. You could just type test or for a you know demo purpose. So basically, this is how the builder looks like. So once you click on add a new page, it'll take you to another pop-up window where you could see multiple templates in here. You could select any template which you think is suitable for your offer or product or service. And also you could customize that templates by adding different blocks in here. So we have a big menu over here. You could select any blocks in here and create a customized page based on the blocks. You could see we have different categories in blocks, so you could select any block to add address or to add contact, etc. This will also have another separate video. Please do comment if you need more information. Once we have websites and funnels created, we want to also track them. So tracking is where which will help us in track all our leads and analyze what's exactly is happening. So if you click on add track, it allows you to select what kind of tracking you want. You could select contacts, APIs, calls. You could also select forms to track all the incoming leads which you are getting into the system. So the leads can be through contacts, forms, APIs, etc. Once you're done tracking, you know what exactly is happening to that particular contact. And if you want to make any call or you're giving your phone number, this is how the phone system looks like. So you could create multiple phone numbers. You could assign those phone numbers to your agents and create extensions. Once you have the extensions created, you'll be able to assign calls to different departments. You could also add voicemails. Let's say you want to drop out a voicemail if someone is not answering your call. You could record those voicemails and automate them. You could also understand your call history, not just yours, your team's calls history, and you could see what exactly is happening with your pipeline. You could also go ahead and create conference rooms and invite your team to get into a conference call. So it's like basically an intercom connected at one place. So you could add your existing phone number if you have any. Otherwise, you could also buy a new phone number by just clicking on that icon. But yes, there is so much to this particular platform. This platform needs another in-depth video. But moving further, we have payments. Payments is where you could connect your Stripe, or you could connect PayPal or any kind of payment gateways you have. Whenever we have a new payment gateway coming in, we'll release an update. But yes, when someone signs up, obviously the system will see how many orders are placed, how many orders are fulfilled, etc. It will also track and tell you what exactly is happening with your products. You could add products or services to give different pricings to it, and the system will take care of the ordering or invoicing directly to the automations. So you could also go ahead and create coupons and give them discounts, and there's so many things you could do. But yes, this is how the system works for you. If you have any questions, do let me know. We'll meet in another video. Thank you.